Hello learners, welcome to today's video on Brain Twister, English Grammar for 6th class. In this video, we will be discussing questions 14 to 29 from the Brain Twister exercise. We will not only go through the correct answers, but also provide detailed explanations for each one to help you understand the grammar rules behind them. These questions will cover important grammar concepts like the use of quantifiers, reflexive pronouns, possessive forms, subject-verb agreement, and more. So, whether you're preparing for a test or just brushing up on your grammar skills, this video is for you. Let's dive into the answers and explanations.
Here is the explanation for each answer from the second part of the Brain Twister exercise. Nasher 14. We need extra chairs because there are more people than I thought. Answer 3. Many. Explanation. Many is the correct quantifier used for countable nouns like people. Much is used for uncountable nouns, and less does not fit the context. 15. Don't try to do all revision at once. It's better to do of it each evening. 1. A bit. A bit is the correct option here, as it refers to doing a small amount each evening. Few or a few are for countable nouns and would not fit the context of revision. 16. Where are shoes I bought yesterday? Answer 3. Explanation. The is used here because it refers to specific shoes that have already been mentioned, the ones bought yesterday. 17. Dolphins live in the sea but are really mammals. Answer. They. Explanation. They is the correct subject pronoun referring to dolphins, which are plural. 18. Nitin hurt when he was making some shelves. 4. Himself. Reflexive pronouns like himself are used when the subject and the object are the same person, Nitin. Myself and yourself would not make sense in this context. 19. Kolkata is famous for skyscrapers. 2. Explanation. The possessive pronoun there refers to Kolkata, as cities can be referred to in a possessive form when describing their features. 20. Brother has just started school. Answer. Sally's explanation. The possessive form Sally's is used to indicate that the brother belongs to Sally. Sally's without the apostrophe is incorrect, and Sally's is the only correct possessive form. 21. Whose is this pen? It's answer 4, mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun used to indicate ownership. My would require a noun after it, such as my pen. 22. Thank you for the present gave me. 3. Explanation. You is the subject pronoun needed here because the sentence addresses the person who gave the present. 23. Did your teacher say? 2. What? What is used to ask about something that was said. Which is used for a choice between options, and who refers to a person, so they don't fit the context. 24. Is yours your favorite color? Answer. 1. Which explanation. Which is used when asking about a choice or preference from a limited set of options, like colors. 25. Parents are both doctors. Answer. 1. Sachin and Sarika. The correct answer is simply the names of the two people, Sachin and Sarika. Possessive forms like Sachins and Sarikas are not needed since the sentence is not indicating ownership. 26. Be careful, don't burn, sir. To yourself. Explanation. Yourself is the reflexive pronoun needed here because the subject and the object are the same person, the one being spoken to. 27. My friend and I playing on my computer. 2. Are. Explanation. Are is the correct verb to use with the plural subject, my friend and I. The subject requires the plural form of the verb. 28. Listen. Your mother, you. Answer. 1. Calls is in the present simple tense, which is correct here because it's a habitual action. 29. I usually milk for breakfast. 2. Have. Have is the correct verb to use here because have veshi is the verb we commonly use when talking about eating or drinking. Each answer follows standard grammatical rules based on subject-verb agreement, use of pronouns, reflexive pronouns, quantifiers, and possessive forms.
That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found the explanations helpful and that your understanding of English grammar has improved. Keep practicing, and don't forget to revisit any areas where you feel unsure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on grammar and English learning. See you in the next one.